I'm Carter, affiliate owner of Crossfit Kuching. Movement for us is defined as functional movement, so movements that humans do every day, from sitting down, from walking, from running, from climbing walls, from putting your groceries up on the shelf, things like that. These are all functional movements. And how that relates to to what we do in terms of mobility and strength and that aspect is that we train in CrossFit is to train for everyday movement. So the things that we learn and things that we do, the movements that we do in CrossFit is functional. So it translates to your everyday life. For example, if we do a deadlift, that is functionally how that works is picking up things from the ground. So movement is every day. Without movement, it's very difficult to live a fulfilling life. Even at an age of your later years, you still should be trying to train, trying to move as much as you can. If you don't use it, you lose it, as they say. So movement for us is everything. It's every day. At CrossFit Kuching, our doors are always open to various sort of schools of teaching. We're not just sort of narrowly minded in a sense that we only think about CrossFit, but we work with parties like Testimonial, who have various programs in relations to movement, like your handstand workshops, your functional mobility, things like that. So these are very beneficial in terms of crossing over to CrossFit, because it's all about human movement, right? The better you understand your body, the better you're going to move. As simple as that. So we find that working with Malcolm and the team is very, very beneficial for not only our members but the community of Kuching in the greater whole. So I think it is a good thing, and it's all about sharing, and we're all for sharing.